So in this video, you'll learn how to exit safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So if you've done troubleshooting any issues that you had on your A56 and you now want to exit safe mode so that you can go back to using your phone regularly, this is what you need to do. Start by navigating to the power off menu. And then once you're in the power off menu, you want to select restart and then confirm by tapping on restart again. Once you've selected restart, simply wait for your device to restart. And once it's done that, you'll notice that the safe mode tag will disappear and you'll have successfully exited safe mode. So let's just wait for the restart to complete itself. And so you can see the safe mode tag is gone. And any third-party apps are no longer grayed out, which means that I've successfully exited safe mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.